Alright, let's get started. Now, many of you will be using Canva for the very first time. If you are using a mobile phone, you are going to head to Play Store, or if you're using an Apple device, you go to the Apple Store, you search or you type in Canva on the search bar. Okay, if you are awesome. Now we are going to move on to uploading and editing photos using and editing elements and uploading and editing video and audio. Now imagine that you have a special album in Canva that you can use to add your own photos. I want you to click on upload. Here you will be able to select the pictures that you want to use for your design. You get to choose if you want it to be bigger or smaller. And of course, you will be able to use magic pinch or gestures to resize it. Okay, and I will guide you further with this. You will do so by dragging your mouse. So you're going to go to the bottom of the image, alright? And you're going to place your mouse there, and you are going to gently hold down on the mouse, drag the design across the page. This will make it bigger or smaller. Now, if you want to add pictures, right, as mentioned before, you use the search bar and you find pictures, okay, and you can add them and other things to your project. Now let's look at uploading video and audio. You simply click where it says upload, and then you will see you move over to audio or video. And you will have the ability, or you will have the chance to add a video or audio to your design. In order to trim the video, you will simply click below the Canva and then pull the arrow to where you want the video to start and keep adjusting it until you want the part that suits you best. As you become more versatile through exploration and practice, you'll be able to add cool music or special effects. You can add elements by searching for the ones you want and then deciding where the element should be placed. Now I want you to have fun exploring and use the ones that you are comfortable with in order for your designs to be personalized and the one that suits you best. Now, because this is just an introduction class, I will guide you further elements by searching for the ones you are able to and then deciding where the element should be placed. Now I want you to have fun exploring and use the ones that you are comfortable with in order for your designs to be personalized and the one that suits you best. Now, because this is just an introduction class, I will guide you further as to what you are able to upload in this class.